Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a software studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process behind attempting to solve it, and hopefully it's useful for someone else going through these problems. So the one that I'm doing today is like very simple. It's 2469 convert the temperature. So you are given a non-negative floating point number, which is rounded to two decimal places, Celsius, and that is the temperature in Celsius. You should convert Celsius into Kelvin and Fahrenheit and return it as an array, and then return the array. So, note that Kelvin is equal to Celsius plus 273.15, and Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius times 1.8 plus 32. So, I think this is going to be very simple. So, you're given Celsius, right? So, first of all, we're going to do Kelvin. Kelvin is equal to Celsius, if I can spell, Celsius plus 273 plus 15. And then Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius times 1.8 plus 32. And then we're just going to return Kelvin and Fahrenheit. And it'll be embarrassing if I get this wrong. Oh, okay. Oh, right, okay. It would help if I spelled Celsius. Right. Hopefully these pass. Accepted. And I'm going to hit submit. So yeah, that passed straight away. So, thank you very much for watching the video. That was a very short one. I hope that it was useful to you in some way. This was a very short one. It was useful to to most people, but even just seeing how LeetCode works. But yeah, thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.